In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chart options on TradingView. Whether you're an experienced trader or just getting started with options, this step-by-step guide will help you leverage TradingView's powerful features effectively. Now, it's important to note, TradingView itself doesn't support paper trading for options. However, you can seamlessly connect with a compatible broker like Optimus Futures for comprehensive technical analysis and charting. Let's begin by connecting your broker to TradingView. Start by opening the TradingView platform. You'll find the trading panel, typically located towards the bottom of your screen. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu. Here you need to select your broker, for example, Optimus Futures. Once you've selected your broker, log into your brokerage account using your CQG credentials. This will establish a connection between your account and TradingView, allowing you to fully utilize the platform's charting capabilities. Next, let's move on to adding options to your chart. You'll want to locate the symbol search bar, which is often positioned at the top of your screen. Click on it and enter the name or ticker of the underlying asset that your option is based on. Once you type it in, you'll see a list of results. Simply select the option you are interested in from this list, and it will be added to your chart. Now that you've added your options to the chart, it's time to customize it for options trading. A good starting point is to change the chart type from the default line chart to candlesticks, or whichever format suits your analysis style best. This can provide a clearer view of market movements. Additionally, make use of the indicator menu to incorporate essential technical analysis tools. Popular choices for options trading include moving averages and volume indicators. These tools can offer meaningful insights into market trends. Furthermore, you can refine the overall layout for better clarity by right-clicking on the chart. This will allow you to tweak settings such as background colors, grid lines, and margins to ensure your chart is as tidy and focused as possible. Don't forget to revisit the trading panel when you're ready to place a trade. From there, you can input take profit and stop loss levels, which TradingView can help you manage once linked with your broker. Finally, let's utilize some of the advanced features TradingView offers for options. Displaying position markers on your chart is a great way to monitor trade performance in real time. It's also beneficial to keep an eye on anything that could affect your trades. By enabling news and events markers, relevant updates will appear directly on your chart. You can also save your custom chart settings. This is a handy feature that allows you to quickly and easily apply these configurations to any future options charts you work with. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can transform TradingView into a powerful tool for your options trading endeavors.